Okay, so I'm taking the kids to shower and I'm setting up what they're gonna wear today. I feel like letting them wear their jackets today just because we don't know if it's gonna get like colder or have the windows open just because it's not hot outside and we don't have the AC on, so it's just like nice and chill. So this one's for Junior. I believe it's like Urban Republic. Both of these were 24. This one's a Reebok. This is going to be for Isaac. I told my husband to get them a size up. Nomás para que les dure para el otro año. Tengo una gripa. And also for their pajamas that we got at Walmart. This one's for Junior because he wanted the Woody one. And Isaac wanted the Marvel superhero ones. But yeah, we got these at Burlington for 25 each. I believe those were like 10 something at Walmart. And then other Granimals were for 44. But yeah, this one I got it for Isaac because he doesn't have a lot of new shirts. He usually has hand-me-downs the Junior. And I also told my husband just to get Junior some, like 5. Just get him this one I believe is a 5T. And then these two, this one and this one are 4T. That way both Isaac and Junior can wear them. But yeah, I'm going to figure out their little outfit. I don't know if I should like put a short sleeve on. I think I'll do this one for Isaac, and then for Junior I'll do, so he has, yeah, just gonna do this gray shirt that he has. Already kind of gotten ready. The boys are already ready too, but I wanted to show you guys the little haunted house that I made the boys out of toilet paper. Let me turn this around real quick, okay? So I made it out of toilet paper and like cardboard for like the base. I know it doesn't look perfect, but whatever. It's like a cute little haunted castle. Pumpkin patch today, so I'm just gonna go finish doing laundry. And yeah. I feel like straightening my hair, but kind of pointless. It's too big.
Yeah, they're too big.
I see you. Yeah. Ooh, it's a ghost. Be careful. Oh, that's scary.
Look at me.
That scared you?
Yeah, I did it.
Oh.
What's
A la madre. I wasn't expecting that. No.
that?
You want to go that way? Pobre pony. podcast. So, yes, el fin del día, Sunday fun day is over. My hair is up in a bun. We just finished cleaning. We went to the pumpkin patch, took a nap. Well, actually, we went to the pumpkin patch, went out to go get food to eat. We got ice cream, smoothies, ices, and all that for the kids. Then we came back home. We took a little nap, a little siesta, and then we just been cleaning. My husband was cleaning out the garage because all his equipment was there and it just needed to be organized. And we threw a lot of stuff away, and just that it wasn't needed or it was just extra stuff. And like no necesitamos tanta crap. So yeah, we were like cleaning because I was literally just telling my husband, we were talking about this like maybe last week. Every time I have a day off or like our days off are together, we'll just chill and not get shit done. So we've been like in a moving funk. Like we still have like stuff in boxes, but slowly but surely we're getting there. Like we still need to go buy a living room, like furniture and stuff like that, but I'm like trying to look for another job because this one is like not cutting it. So, we're just going through a lot of stuff, and we just need to get certain like stuff done, and clearing and organizing and decluttering kind of helps out. But yeah, I'm just gonna do an outro. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.